Hey everyone, welcome back. If the login timeout error happens when the app cannot complete the sign in process in time, here's how to fix it. First, check your internet speed and try to switch to a stronger connection. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for RBC app and then swipe it away. Next, wait for about 30 seconds and then open again and then try logging in again. Disable any VPNs or private DNS settings that may slow the connection. After that, restart your phone and retry the login process. If timeouts continue, wait a few seconds or minutes and try again. Most timeout errors disappear once the connection stabilizes, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.